Hi everyone, Miguel here with Vacation Angels. We're currently cleaning a personal home, and this caught my attention. The ceiling fan, see all this dust? Okay, all the blades have the dust, and so this is a sign when we're not doing enough recurring service, routine maintenance. This dust starts to build up, and this just means it's all over the home. Maybe a home filter needs to be changed. I also notice here on the wall, if you get closer with the camera, that there's also dust, and so this is another sign that our home needs service. They need cleaning. Whether you call us or you call somebody else, my main concern is your health, and if I see this on the wall, that means the people living in this home are also breathing it, and so it's kind of unsafe for me. In my mind, it's very unsafe. So I just wanted to make everybody aware and bring awareness to everyone on social media that if you see this in your home, it's time for maybe a good cleaning, and you can call us. We'll be glad to help you out, or if you have another service, it's fine, you can call them, but please do pay attention to the dust buildup in your home. Okay, thank you, and I'll be doing a before and after photo of the ceiling fan. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.